Have you ever thought your most precious treasure is being wasted? This isn't something you bought. These are the moments you've lived. Your first graduation ceremony, your child's first steps, your mother's special smile. And the biggest tragedy is this: no one else is wasting this precious treasure. We're wasting it ourselves, and we have no awareness. We don't even know how we're erasing our own memories. The culprit of this loss isn't some external enemy. This is a weakness we create ourselves through our own negligence. Its name is oxygen deficiency. In medical terms, doctors call it chronic hypoxia, and it's damaging you right now as you're listening to this. Just imagine, a person gets trapped under earthquake rubble. They can survive 3 weeks without food, 3 days without water, but oxygen? Only 3 minutes. Then the story ends. But here's the real tragedy. Most of us are buried alive under our own rubble. The daily grind, endless screen time, chronic stress. All these together drop an invisible rubble on our lungs. We're breathing, but we're not living. We're merely surviving. And the price? Your brain is paying it. Your memories are being wasted.
Let me take you on a tour of your brain. Are you ready to know and understand? Your brain is only 2% of your body weight, but it uses 20% of your energy. It's the most power-hungry factory in your body. According to research published in Nature Neuroscience, the human brain uses approximately 20 watts of energy daily. That's more than a computer's LED bulb. But the work? More than 10,000 supercomputers. And the real fuel for this energy? Pure oxygen. Research in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences shows that your brain uses 20% of your body's total oxygen. The heart of this factory is behind your ear, a space the size of a thumbnail. It's called the hippocampus. This is a magical archive. Every laugh, every lesson, every promise of love, all their files are created here. But there's a big problem. This archive is extremely delicate. Even a slight power shortage can shut it down. And that's what's happening right now, this very moment. When you take fast, shallow breaths in traffic, during meetings, while checking your phone, you're actually sending a power cut signal to this factory. Now listen to some facts that will shake you. Stanford University School of Medicine research shows that chronic oxygen deficiency can shrink your hippocampus by up to 5%. 5% sounds small? That's equivalent to 10 years of memories. Harvard Medical School's 2019 study proved it. People with low blood oxygen levels have a 50% higher risk of early dementia. 50%! That's not a small number. Johns Hopkins University scientists discovered nighttime oxygen deficiency. In conditions like sleep apnea, your brain's cleaning system shuts down. Those toxic proteins start accumulating, the same proteins that are the foundation of Alzheimer's. First, small files get wasted. What did you eat yesterday afternoon? Where did you put the keys? Then, bigger projects get affected. That childhood friend? What was their name? What suit did you wear at your wedding? This isn't normal forgetfulness. This is the systematic loss of your life's library.
But wait, there's hope. There's always hope. Because you already possess the weapon to stop this loss. This isn't some expensive medicine, not some complicated surgery. And most importantly, you don't have to spend anything extra. You just need to make your lifestyle healthy. Take care of your health. Eating, drinking, sleeping, waking, standing, sitting, working. You just need to become health conscious. And the first step? Your diaphragm. This is hidden in your body's most powerful muscle, that muscle you haven't used in years. Imagine a powerful parachute is spread beneath your lungs. When it contracts, it moves downward, creates a vacuum that pulls in air, complete, deep, life-giving air.
This is belly breathing, breathing from the stomach. This is your innate ability, which you lost in childhood. Today, we're taking it back. Now let's start a memory rescue mission. Right now, this very moment. One hand on your chest, the other on your belly, above the navel. Close your eyes. Now take a deep breath, but in a special way. Expand your belly like a balloon, chest almost motionless. Feel how your hand rises. This is the correct method. Hold the breath inside, 3 seconds. Tell your heart and brain this oxygen is for you. Now exhale slowly, very slowly. Make your lips like a whistle. Belly should pull in slightly for 6 seconds. This isn't just breathing. This is giving energy back to your memory archive. This is saving your life's files from being wasted. University of California, San Diego research shows just 10 minutes of deep breathing increases oxygen levels in the brain by 15%. 15%! And it's immediate. According to a study published in Yale University's Journal of Neuroscience, regular deep breathing can create new neurons in your hippocampus. Yes, new neurons, even at 60 years of age. Now listen to this promise, a real promise, a science-based promise. And remember, no extra spending, just a healthy lifestyle. First 7 days, you'll feel the weight sitting on your shoulders getting lighter, that weight you didn't even know existed. The mental darkness that comes at 4 p.m. will start to lift. You'll remember what energy feels like. By day 14, your sleep will become a deep river, restorative sleep. You'll wake up in the morning really awake, not just eyes open. You'll feel the difference. After 3 weeks, your focus will return. The mind that used to wander will start to concentrate. You'll read books and remember them. You'll have conversations and listen, really listen. After a full month, here's where the magic happens. That mental fog, that white noise covering your thoughts, it will clear. It'll feel like the dust layer on your brain's window has been cleaned and everything is brightened again. You'll watch old videos of your children. You'll feel every emotion again. Not just watch, but live them. Those stories your grandfather used to tell will become clear. This isn't better memory. This is reclaiming your life without any extra spending, just by becoming health conscious. And here's a secret very few people know. Oxygen deficiency doesn't just waste your memory. It wastes your youth, too. Joint research by MIT and Harvard, published in Cell Metabolism Journal, proved it. Chronic oxygen deficiency doubles the aging process of your cells. Double. You're 40 years old, but your cells have become 60. Why? Because oxygen is your cell's fuel. When fuel runs low, the engine breaks down quickly. Your skin, your hair, your energy, everything gets affected. But the good news is, this process can also be reversed. UCLA researchers discovered in a study published in Psychoneuroendocrinology, regular deep breathing, yoga, and meditation, they increase oxygen levels in your cells. Result? Your cells' aging slows down. In some cases, it even reverses. Yes, you can slow down the aging process just with breathing, without any extra spending. You just need right eating, right sleeping, right breathing, right lifestyle. So today, this moment, you have a choice, an important choice. You can become a helpless spectator of your memories. Keep watching as pages of your story are wasted. Your youth is gradually leaving. Or you can become the guardian of your life's archive. Become the watchman. Become the hero.
This battle won't be fought in some lab, not in some hospital. This battle will be fought at your desk, in your car, in the silence before you sleep. Just 5 minutes a day, 5 minutes where you, with your breath, give this message to your hippocampus. I won't let you be wasted. I will save you. Remember, no expensive medicine, no complicated treatment. You just need to become health conscious. And now I want to ask you something. Do you want me to create a complete series on this? A series where we go deeper, understand every problem caused by oxygen deficiency, and find solutions to every problem. How oxygen deficiency weakens your heart, how it ages your skin, how it affects your liver, kidneys, every organ, and most importantly, how you can increase oxygen levels in your body, how you can slow down the aging process, how you can feel like 40 at 60. And all this without any extra spending, just by adopting a healthy lifestyle, right eating, right drinking, right sleeping, right waking. This series will be for you, for your health, for your life. So please, tell me in the comments section below, do you want to see this series? Which topic interests you the most? Which problem solution do you want? Your comments will decide. What will be the topic of the next video? Should we talk about heart health, skin youth, or create a complete anti-aging guide? The decision is yours. Your voice matters, because this isn't just my video, this is your health journey. Your story is no ordinary story. Don't let it be wasted. Take a deep breath and start saving it, because your memories are your world. Give them breath.